And we're going to just arrange our mushrooms. And we'll go over them and slice them. Top, and then we'll just cut one ring. Cut that in half, and then we'll peel off our outer layer of skin. We'll discard the tops. And then we're just going to mince this very, very finely for both pieces.